Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning the bathrooms. I recently asked my 4 sisters if they could only have one cleaning product, what would it be? Mine of course is glass cleaner, then we have Lysol with bleach, Lysol multi-purpose cleaner, Clorox wipes, and Mr. Clean magic eraser. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning using their one must-have items. I like to put all of my products in a basket so it's easy to grab and go. I keep paper towels, a brush, and rubber gloves in there. So I'm going to start off in the guest bathroom. It hasn't really been used lately since we haven't had any guests over, but still I wanted to give it a deep clean. So I'm going to be cleaning my mirror with my one must-have, which is my glass cleaner. To clean the sink and the toilet, I am going to be using one of my sister's must-have, which is the Lysol with bleach. And since the Lysol does have bleach, I'm going to be using some gloves just to protect my hands from getting irritated with all of these chemicals. And the last thing I did was use a Clorox wipe to disinfect the whole toilet, which is another cleaning product from one of my sister's must-have list. That's it for the downstairs bathroom. It is such a small bathroom. Literally, it just has that pedestal sink, the toilet, and my husband helped me paint the little table and the mirror from red to white. We thought maybe it would help bring in some of the light because it is so dark in here and it's so small that we just wanted to make it look a little bit bigger. Take it slow, make sure Okay, you guys, so this bathroom I cannot seem to keep clean no matter what I do. My drawers are nice and organized, but the rest is a whole different story. So now I'm just going to be showing you what the sinks look like. They have a lot of water stains and buildup just from daily use. So for this bathroom, I'm going to be using the Lysol with bleach and the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner. I'm also going to be showing you what the shower door looks like. It has a lot of buildup and residue as well. So let's get to cleaning. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. The first thing I did was get everything out of the shower so I would have a nice clean space to work with. Mystery, I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I then sprayed the Lysol with bleach all over the shower and let it sit for a bit before I started brushing away. I did have the fans going and I opened up the window just because the smell was a bit strong. We were meant to be, so just sit with me.
night into the morning, building chemistry. And I don't think I ever wanna go.
Again, I am using gloves because of the Lysol with the bleach. I also wore some flip-flops since I was going to be going in the shower. I then just use a brush that I bought from Dollar Tree and I start scrubbing away. I was trying to figure out an easy way to clean the shower without getting wet, but like you will see here in a little bit, that just did not happen. Okay, so it's time to be real here. Let me know in the comments down below, how often do you clean your shower? So I was using a water pitcher to get my water, and then I moved a little and I ended up getting all wet. Cleaning the bathroom is definitely my least favorite job, but someone's got to do it, so I guess it's me. I then used a sponge and some Dawn dish soap. I know, it sounds weird, but I feel like it really helps with removing the water stains. And before I use the glass cleaner, I use a razor blade to make sure that I have the glass nice and clean before wiping it all down. And right before I put everything back in, I was just trying to make sure that I got all of the cleaning product out. So I gave it one more rinse with water. And now on to cleaning my mirrors. Do not try this at home. I was exhausted and like you can see, I almost fell in the sink, but I was just too lazy to go back downstairs and get my little step stool.
Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know.
For my sinks, I used the Lysol multi-purpose cleaner and my brush, and I dried them off with a microfiber cloth.
Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving. Then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you.
And the last thing I had to do in here was try the magic eraser to clean the baseboards, because my youngest sister said this is her must-have and this is what she uses it for. And I actually did like the way that they ended up getting all nice and clean.
'Cause you love drama.
And there you have it. This is what the bathroom looked like when I was all done. I can actually see through my shower doors now. I didn't deep clean the bathtub because we don't really use it, and I had just deep cleaned it like a week ago, so it just needed a quick rinse. Now my sinks are nice and clean. They don't have that yellow stain anymore or the hard water residue, and it was hard work, but it's all worth it in the end.
Every time you flash your name.
So I was going to end the video here, but then I thought, let me go and try to test these products in my daughter's sink because I don't clean her bathroom anymore. And oh my gosh, stay tuned and you will find out what I found.
It's always about you, you. Always about you, you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you. And how you're so rude, 'cause you love drama.
I pulled the sink drain while I was cleaning, and oh my gosh, it was beyond disgusting. I had never cleaned that. I know it's going to sound weird, but it was so satisfying to clean. Putting the sink drain is kind of tricky, so if you're going to try this, make sure that you know how to put it back because I had to ask my husband for help.
Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give in to you, giving to you.
So knowing how dirty the sink drain was, why did I stick my finger in there? I don't know. I don't think I expected it to be clean.
'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broke.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it brought you some cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one.